What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Celebrity Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you celebrity tea at its best. So guys, please subscribe to the channel because I am posting videos each and every day. I am updating you on celebrity gossip. I am updating you on celebrity news. Now you wouldn't want to miss that, right? So today we are talking about Lasizwe Dambuza. Now Lasizwe posted on Instagram that he was celebrating his 21st birthday. That's nice, Lasizwe. Congratulations to Lasizwe for turning 21. It's a new chapter for him. It's a new chapter with big things to come, right? Now he celebrated his birthday in a very chilled environment with I think friends and family, but it was just chilled, it was playful, it was not too uptight, and there were no many people, right? So Lasizwe wrote, "Dear Lasizwe," and I quote, "Happy 21st birthday," and in brackets he said, "I'm blocking anyone who disputes my age." And then he continued to say, "You are officially at that age where you say I'm 20 something years old." Wow. Lasizwe is just a nice person who deserves good things that are coming to them, and this new age, new chapter is obviously going to bring nice things for him, good things for him. But yeah guys, as you can see on the video, it was just a very chilled day. He was not uptight. It was an enjoyable day for him. Friends and family, they sang happy birthday for him, and he was just so genuinely happy, guys. That's nice for him. Congratulations, Lasizwe. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe because you are going to miss out on important celebrity gossip, important celebrity news, and I wouldn't want you to miss that, right? That's all for today. I will see you in my next one. Bye.